I make over $5,000 a week with affiliate marketing, and in this video, I'm going to be revealing my new Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy that you can copy and also use to make thousands of dollars a week. And I'll be showing you how to take advantage of AI tools that will make it so much easier for you to start. This requires no money or experience, so anyone can do this. Now let's get into it. So affiliate marketing is just you promoting a brand's product or service with a unique link that you're given, and if someone clicks on that link and signs up, you get paid a commission. So it's a pretty simple business model. Now there are 6 steps you have to follow to make thousands of dollars a month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. But let's start with the very first step, which is creating a custom website that showcases all your affiliate links. Having a custom website is extremely important because without it, you could possibly get banned on Pinterest because they don't allow you to just link direct affiliate links. Now, building your website will be extremely simple using this brand new AI website builder that I just developed. It can literally build you an affiliate marketing website in just a few minutes using AI. I'm so excited to share this with you since I know it'll help so many people. So click on the link in the description to get your free AI affiliate marketing website. Now this should take under 2 minutes to create, so I'll go through the entire process with you. All right, now on this page, click build my free website, add your email, click here on start your store. Now choose your theme color. I'm gonna do blue. Okay, so here you have to go ahead and create your Shopify account. Basically, your website is going to be on Shopify. So click here on create account. Now go ahead here and enter your email address, then click start free trial. Skip all, next. All right, now it should just say it's building your Shopify store and it will be ready shortly. Okay, once your Shopify store is created, we have to now get your Shopify store URL. So now go to settings, then click on domains. And right here, you can see your Shopify URL. So go ahead and just copy that. Now come back to the store builder here and then just go ahead and insert that link. So here's my Shopify link, next step. Now here, there are a few steps we have to follow. So first click here on access Shopify apps, click allow custom app development, click it again, then click create an app, name this custom store, create app. Then here, click on configure admin API scopes. All right, now here it's a bit tedious, but you actually have to come down the list here and check off every box that you see. So literally every box here that you see, check off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Might take me a minute or so. All right, now once you've checked off every box, just go ahead and save. Then click here on install app, then click install, and then click here on reveal token once. Go ahead and just copy this. Let's go back here and now go ahead and paste the token. Now next step, now here click on access plans, click here on the basic plan. Now go ahead and just fill out all your information here. And don't worry, you're not gonna get charged anything right now. You do have a free trial. All right, now just click on subscribe and just go ahead and add this information here. Now come back to the store builder and click here on start store build. All right, now it's just building the store. Might just take a few seconds, so just bear with me here. Now click here on next step. Now click here on access Shopify. All right, it's gonna bring you here where we can actually remove the password on our store so we can view it. So make sure you do that, remove password, save. Let's go back to the next step. All right, our store is done. Let's take a look at it. All right, perfect. Here is the store, as you can see. So basically here, we just have this text, then we have the affiliate links here, and you have an option to get people to subscribe to your newsletter. Now, obviously, this website is just a template. You obviously don't have to promote these affiliate links. Now, of course, you may want to customize the website a little bit, so I'll show you how you can do that. So if you can actually come back to your Shopify store. So I want you to click here on online store, then click here on customize. All right, so here we can pretty much customize this however we like. So essentially here, I'm gonna show you what you can do whenever you get a new affiliate link. So right here, click. And basically here, what you can actually do is you can change the description here to whatever you want. You can change the heading, then you can change the link label and add a different affiliate link. So anytime you do get an affiliate link, you can go ahead and just add it here. And let's say you want to add more affiliate links, click here on add column. And basically here, you can do the same thing, add the image, the heading, description, link label, and then the affiliate link. And one thing I want to show you as well, let's exit out from here. Click here on settings, then click on domains. And I do suggest you change your domain. You don't have to do this now, you can do it later, but basically your domain is your Shopify website URL. So for example, I can change mine to Sara Finance 101, add domain. So now my website URL is sarafinance101.myshopify.com. Now, if you want to change it and actually get a professional one with .com, you can click here on buy domain. It does cost money to buy a custom URL with the .com. So yeah, but yeah, you have a great starting website. Obviously make changes, add your own affiliate links to it, and you will be golden. Let's move on to the next step, which is picking your niche. This should be something you're passionate about or something you want to learn more about. This can honestly be anything like finance, health, fitness, gaming, technology. You get the idea. For example, what I've picked is business because I'm passionate about it, I know a lot about it, and I love teaching business to people. And if you don't have a topic or something you're passionate about, no worries. Honestly, just pick anything that you're curious about, learn more about it, and obviously you don't have to be an expert. Moving on to the next step, which is actually finding affiliate links that you can put on your website. There are 3 great websites you can use to find affiliate links. First one is impact.com, second is clickbank.com, and third is Amazon Associates. Now, the affiliate links you want to find should be high-paying affiliate links. This means you want them to pay at least $30 per person you refer, but honestly, if you can get it up to 50, 100, even better. Now, personally, the affiliate link I promote that makes me the most amount of money currently is Shopify and Hostinger. I'm making anywhere from $25 to $200 per person I refer to each of these affiliate programs. Both of these are e-commerce platforms that help people build online websites. And you're probably wondering, should you copy my strategy and promote Hostinger and Shopify? Of course, you definitely can, but you also don't have to. You can honestly just promote any affiliate program in your niche that pays well. For example, I found a lot of high-paying affiliate links in the fitness niche and health niche, some paying upwards of $100 per person you refer. Now, the next step is to think about whether you want to create a personal brand or an online brand. An online brand would just be essentially a faceless brand, but a personal brand would be essentially you and you promoting your affiliate programs. For example, Sara Finance is a personal brand. I enjoy showing my face and talking online, but if you don't like that, then I recommend you just create an online brand. I do have an online brand that is entirely on Pinterest, so I don't show my face on that, and honestly, I really do enjoy running it. It's a lot of fun, and it's kind of cool to see something do well that's not connected to me. I've had many students inside my affiliate marketing course copy my exact strategy for creating an online brand, and some of them have made thousands of dollars. My student Lena followed my faceless strategy and made over $90,000 in her first year. My student Jay also made $11,000 in his first 3 months. I would of course love to have you join my affiliate marketing course, and I'd love to help you scale to over $10,000 a month. The course goes through everything you need to succeed. It literally reveals my entire step-by-step strategy that makes me over $50,000 a month. So if you're interested in joining, I'll link it in the description. Now let's move on to the next step, which is creating content for your Pinterest account. When you create your Pinterest account, make sure you create a business Pinterest account. Also add a nice profile picture. You can maybe add a bio, create a nice username that reflects your personal brand or your online brand. I currently have 2 successful Pinterest accounts, one that shows my face, which is just Sara Finance, and the other one that does not show my face, which honestly is doing a lot better since I'm spending more time on it. I unfortunately don't want to reveal my faceless brand just because I do worry that people will copy my content as they have done for Sara Finance. But essentially, my account on Pinterest just promotes Shopify, Hostinger, Canva, Robinhood, and just other finance affiliate links. Here's an image I posted that says try Shopify for free. So if someone was to click on this image and sign up to Shopify, I could make upwards of $150 per person that signs up. So you could definitely promote Shopify if that's the niche you're interested in, or maybe you just want to promote Shopify since it makes a lot of money. Now, in order to figure out what type of content you should be posting on your Pinterest account, I honestly recommend just looking at other people in your niche on Pinterest and see what they're posting, and of course just browse on Pinterest and see what content does well. Honestly, Pinterest is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You know, the images don't really take long to make, so you shouldn't have any problems with this. Till this day, I literally just take content ideas from other people on Pinterest, so that's honestly the simplest strategy. I also suggest you go on the website Pinterest Trends and see what content is currently trending on Pinterest. This can kind of help you and give you some ideas on what content to post. Now let me show you how you can actually create your content on Pinterest within a few minutes using Canva. So go ahead and create a free Canva account. I think they'll give you a free trial, but once you're in your account, you can actually just go ahead and search here Pinterest pin. And then here click Pinterest pin. All right, now what's cool is it's actually going to show you a bunch of different Pinterest templates here. So as you can see, there are hundreds, thousands of different templates you can actually use. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick this one, click customize this template. And now I can just change this image to really whatever I want to promote my certain affiliate link. So let's just say I wanted to promote Shopify here. I'll show you what I do. So I'll just change the text here first. So I put here, try Shopify for free. Now I can maybe add a logo of Shopify up here. All right, I got the logo. I'm just going to center it like that. And I think this looks pretty good. It's very simple, literally took me less than 5 minutes to make. And you can make hundreds of these photos every day to promote your affiliate links. And if you want to download this, just click on share, then click here on download. You can make it a little bit larger, that's usually what I do. Then just click download, and then you can now upload this image to your Pinterest. Now, once your image from Canva is ready, you can go ahead and upload it to your Pinterest account. Now, the cool thing with Pinterest is anytime you upload an image, it actually lets you link your custom website, which is pretty cool. So that's exactly what you should be doing every time you post. So anytime you post an image and someone clicks on it, they're going to get redirected to your website, and then hopefully they can sign up to your affiliate link there, and then you can make a commission. My recommendation is you try to post at least 3 images every day. Of course, the more you post, the better. If you can post 10 images a day, of course, you're going to grow a lot faster and probably make more money. Honestly, being successful on Pinterest is all about being consistent and patient. You can't give up after 2 weeks. You have to at least do this for 2 months before you see any significant results. And of course, that goes with any business. You can't expect to make thousands of dollars in your first week. Now, another way you can scale your Pinterest affiliate marketing business is by having an email newsletter. So do you ever get random emails from different brands? Well, that means you're subscribed to their email newsletter. And so what they're doing is actually marketing to you, and it's definitely a great strategy to make more money. So as an affiliate marketer, it's important that you start and grow an email newsletter. That way you can send out promotional content weekly to your subscribers, and of course this content can just be your affiliate links. I currently have about 25,000 email subscribers, and I send out valuable content to them every week, some of which are affiliate links. Here's an example of an email I sent out. As you can see here, I am promoting my Shopify affiliate link. Now, on your website that you created earlier, you'll actually be able to collect emails there and grow your email list, and also be able to send out weekly newsletters to your email subscribers. Shopify is definitely one of the best platforms you can use as an affiliate marketer to essentially promote your affiliate links and grow your email list. If you're interested in learning more about this, along with running Pinterest ads to scale your business, and also want to learn more about creating a blog, which you can promote on your Pinterest, and just learn a lot more about affiliate marketing in general, I'd love to have you join my affiliate marketing course. It literally goes through the entire strategy I followed to personally make over $50,000 a month in profit. One of my students made over $16,000 in just 1 month, and I'd also love to help you scale to over $10,000 a month. The course will be linked in the description if you're interested. I also do highly recommend you check out these 2 videos here on my channel, as they'll help you with your affiliate marketing journey. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.